Hakasin ka banengkong an yelakay ka Northeast United pyrshah ya ka Mumbai City hanongba Shillong. Ka Indian Super League kadai ka wake jingilakay football ka bahe tam hapo ka ri India bat ya kanik jingilakay hapadeng ka Northeast United FC pyrshah ya ka Mumbai City FC an sayo bansaki daki pajba jong ka jala Meghalaya hakaba kan salong lashai ka sngi ka nyau tarik urampang hakapor nyau siteng janmet hak jingi kendo bergelat patai kebor nakaliang coach jong ka Northeast United FC ujuan Pedro Benali ulapan pau jing snokmen bat kmi lanti dak jing Tracy Tom jong ki rang elekai jong ka kenhun kinyo ya ka jing job ula ongru haba ki elekai ha Shillong kisngau kumba elekai halayeng namar ke Shillong kedehi ke benta jong katany syatei lamingi jong kari India. Habai keren pat bat wei urang elekai jong kene ke kenhun ubadei na ke jela Meghalaya ulaong ba ke jingwan jong ke football ha ke jela kalong ke jingkerku ya ke jela Meghalaya hi berok ke wei kamtam ya ki rew each football ki badei na kene ke jela. Ulaong ru ba jingyo ban penlong ya kene ke Indian Super League ha ke jela Meghalaya kanlong ke jingya thu khana na ka benta kipor bat kisngi ke bandangwan.
I was this question a long time ago, and I will answer with another question. What is better, to score first and they draw?
Defense is the best.
Or they score first and we draw? What is better? Tell me. You know a lot of football. You're asking a great question. What is better?
Defense is the best offense.
Excuse me?
Defense is the best offense, coach, according to me.
Defense is better than offense.
Yeah. Defense is the best offense.
Defense is the best offense, or the offense is the best defense?
Defense is the best offense.
Defense is the best offense.
At least we score one.
Listen, we score, they draw. They score, we draw. Do you think going to Bengaluru is dropping points, taking 1 point? Do you think going to Kerala, taking 1 point, is dropping point? Do you think going to Goa playing with 9 players, and check the one red card, taking 1 point, is dropping point? Do you think we want to draw? What is better? 2 seasons ago, we take 1 point. It was the biggest party in Guwahati and everywhere. Not 1 point. And now we're not happy because we get 1 point. Give me, there's 5 games remaining. I want 1 point, 1 point. I go to play of mathematics. Is it better? Or you prefer that we lose 4 games and win 1? Because like this, we say, we didn't draw. It's better to lose. We don't draw points. Other teams take points also. I prefer to be winning and draw than to suffer that they're winning and to suffer to the last minute aiming to draw. No, because we score first. We score in the first 15 minutes many times. But the game is very long. Many things happen. The teams, grass, mistakes, maybe not only players' mistakes, I'm saying mistakes in general. A lot of things happen. We don't draw points. But how many points you say we draw? 16, 17, 18, 20, 25? What does mean? It means we're doing a good job. We're doing a good job. We score, we go for it. We are at this moment playing as we want to play. But of course, the other team plays. Referees, ball, mistakes. That's what it is. Okay, thank you. So, Sante or Tondon or any player who plays that position, it depends on each game. Each game is a different situation. It's very important that it's the full team, team who's attacking and the team who's defending, not depending on one single player. Or, sometimes it's funny because in social media we receive some messages and stuff like this saying that the team needs this kind of player, needs a player here, needs a player there. In this moment, this is the team we have, this is the players we have, proud of them. There's nobody else, and we need everybody with the team, with all the players. And Sante, Redeem, Ajarai, Nestor, Gurmeet, all the players, 26 players are doing a great job when they play in the 11, but in the same time in the trainings. Training for us, it's really important because the competition is so high and they're making Sante to look good. If the others are not good with him, giving him a tough work, it will not be what he is now in the field. Okay? It's a very difficult games now. The points are very important, very, very important, very crucial, because it's a direct between Mumbai and us, and also to leave some teams behind us. Both teams, it's going to the final. It will not be difficult it won't be easy for Mumbai, it will not be easy for us. It's a very difficult game. Today also is another important game in ISL, Goa against Odisha. And this is why we need to take advantage to get the most point possible, not to leave it till the last game of the league to see if we are in playoff or not. We need to finalize it as soon as possible to get that moment, to give also the players within their roles occasion to play. But it's not easy. The one who sees it easy is wrong. It will be difficult. We need to give everything now.
And do you have a full squad with you tomorrow?
No, we have some players injured. They stayed home. But I'm sure that the one who's going to be in the field will be. No, I'm feeling playing home. Really feeling home. We came many times to Shillong not only to play. We came for a visit. We came to see some games here. Shillong was playing last season. We watched some games. Many of the players, they come with Redeem for some days off to Shillong. We really feel home. We really feel home. This is our home too. We are from all the states. We're Northeast United, and Meghalaya, Shillong is our home. The weather is excellent. It's not to measure. Sometimes they say, well, there's a high altitude. No, it doesn't influence at all. If you go higher, maybe, but you need 15 days before, not 2 days or 3 days. Physically, you need to come the day of the match 1 hour before play and go. But we could come yesterday. The problem, we just arrived from Odisha, from Bhubaneswar. We need some time to rest before to do another trip to here. But no, it's not a major issue. It's not a major issue. It's great. Happy to come to Shillong and to be the first coach to play in ISL here in Meghalaya, and to Redeem's hometown. It's an honor. The pitch is excellent. To play football, beautiful weather. It's winter. It's nice, and we hope it brings us luck. But really, we are very happy to be here.
What is your expectation?
Expectation? Wow, win. We want to win. We hope all the fans will push us tomorrow. It will be a very, very difficult game against Mumbai. We win in their home ground. That means they want to come here to win us, because in this moment of the season, goal average is very, very important between teams. It will not be easy. It's not an easy game, but we hope that our fans will be the first player, number one, and we will push them and give them joy tomorrow and make them proud.
It's artificial turf. Now it's a completely different field, great field now. Bring back memories when I was a kid. I came to watch I-League with my family. My parents bring me here to watch I-League. That's how I get inspired. So tomorrow is another match for me, and I hope the crowd will come and support us and to inspire the next generation.
The team wins 70.
Pressure is, like coach always tells us, pressure is always good in football, but in life, there's nothing that such as no pressure. So we'll play according to our plans, and with the crowd behind us, and we'll get an extra boost. I would say it's a blessing for the city, for the state, the ISL came here, and for the people of Bangladesh visit, get to witness and organize the ISL in JN Stadium. It's a blessing and a great achievement for the state.
Galing ke depan pakai saya pun kejelas ini kerja.
Mau mentan mau tingkat ku ya ka state ni kawai tadi ke top league kali kan man yakun buat kejela ke jongi te tolong ke tingkat ku kan den ka history mo ya kas lagi baru ki beat football ada kejela ba lashai ni yakun pakai Mumbai.
Kai kejing skor juga simet lalu saya sini apa. Jadi pun dari bukan upaya pyrshah jumpa jelas mulai itu IP mulai kita muslim atau penjualan yang ke pyrshah IP simet lupa menyilakan saya sini.
Aku player ini bat mga orang player ko haji ini pyrshah kantan baik. Kanu kalian haji player ni haka lokan kuno men handal ya kak. Ila long balapun kre bat kermen bahkan ya ka kijing kre jungi bahkan pois kan kong
Kumno finyo yu Mumbai saya sini ya kejing.
Mumbai tu ulong tim uba klan ndai ro tim bat uno no tim ISL dan ro tim batalon mereka syong haka kajing yo ikat so bat uno ka match kuno ki perform jadi tangkatai bahkan Mumbai ketika tim ke baklan ni along balapun kre bagi saya kre hal saya.
Kumu play over di negeri kejelah atau fi kumu play fi ïakhun ni kami akan kejing long juman kejing pun kala dori akan ke stadium bapa fi lasan dori kejing long ranya kecupi banyak lakai football.
Kum wala ide ka ada duran komen kan ni ngai I baka ka stadium kalau ka ba biang ba kalau long babit ha banyak na enjoy bat ki don ki way at ki stadium ba yakun ko ISL kalau kani kalau biang ba na biang para
Kaya istang kawai kelas kejing di kaya buat video mana aja di pipa kita kena kejing itu kalau film dan bentalang lashai.
Ambil tangkap lashai bah kini hilai tadi kejing yakun jongi bang tepat bang kermen ro ki pipa bikin wan ban ai kejing support yang i jingkersan yang dan kam yang jingkersan nama mentang ling kasak stang sa kan san game jongi bangin jo ban jo room syaka player tek lembang kecil kersan joki bagin ai extra boost yang i makiong te bangin yo head ni so jinjob bangin dan kiu shalor ka table bangin boy syaka player